Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghosted problem on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So, what you guys want to do first is remove the screen protector or case, but let me tell you why. Basically, whenever you have a screen protector that's just not applied properly, it's just not fitting, or it's misaligned, or basically it's a cheap copy of something, just not like mine, but this one is actually misplaced and it's misaligned. So this might cause the ghosted problems for me. I haven't experienced it yet, but I'm pretty sure I will soon if I just do not change the screen protector. Now for a case, if they had bad dummy phones, then they can just cover up a little bit of the screen, and that's how you guys can have the ghosted problem. So a ghosted problem is a problem when the phone registers a click even though you did not make that move. So for an example, you click here and your phone after a while, or you don't even have to click, the phone after a while will just click by itself, and it won't be you, it won't be your friend or family trying to prank you. No, it won't be, it will be your own phone because of the ghosted problem. Now, it can also be the issue of your screen being dirty, so make sure to get rid of any debris or moisture or dirt or dust, and also your fingerprints, by just swiping on the screen. So remember, never go too hard on the device. Now it looks very clean and it also looks perfect. So now, as a last resort, is updating your software. It can help you a lot, and I feel like this is the best way. So go over to the settings and scroll down to the system. Here in the system, we want to go over to the software updates. So go to software updates and click on system update. Now here, as you guys can see, I have a system update available, but I'm not able to do that because my battery is too low and it's also in the power saving mode. So this update fixes critical bugs and improves the performance and stability of our device. So that basically means it can fix a lot of critical bugs, including the ghosted problem, and it can also improve the performance and stability of our device, blah blah blah. So this is how we know that this update could definitely fix our ghosted problem. So make sure you do updates like these, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.